Hello, welcome to the Spoony Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoony Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I have really exciting news. Stay tuned. So, I recently became a brand ambassador for Twice Sheared Sheep. In case you don't know what that is, Twice Sheared Sheep was a company started by Miss Dawn, and it is for knitters and crocheters. Although they do primarily cater to knitters, but don't worry, they have lots of things crocheters can use too. So she started this company because she was using cheap materials, and yes, that was getting the job done, but using higher end quality products that don't break on you, feel good, look good, and just overall hold up over time is probably a better way to go. And I really agree with that. I think that, you know, if you have better tools, you can make better art. And I really, really love this brand. This is Twice Sheared Sheep. Once again, I will leave the link down below so you can shop. And oh my goodness, they have so many wonderful things. And they sent me some fun things to try. And I'm very excited for that, but that's not this video. This video, you want to pay attention because this won't last long. This video is for the Advent calendar. I know, I talk about Advent calendars all the time. I mean, all the negatives that go with them and stuff. And there's some positives, but they're mostly negatives. This is a different kind of Advent calendar. It's completely different than anything you've seen before. And I think you're gonna like it. So, why am I recommending this Advent calendar over pretty much any other one you buy this year? Because it's so unique. You know, when you get to an Advent calendar and like it's going really well the first like 12 days, and then they kind of repeat products, or they give you something that is like, does this even go with crochet? No, not really. They don't do that. They don't do that. That is not, they don't have any repeat items in the box. None. And everything is exclusive to the box. That's right. For those of us who pay the heftier price tag for some of those Advent calendars and then anybody else can get them too. No, not fair. They don't do that. Their Advent calendar always has a theme. This year's theme is Furry Friends. My heart. Oh. So cute, right? I love the little illustration. Anyway, that is this year's theme. Every theme every year is different. Everything inside the boxes is always different. But they can guarantee 25 full-size products. First of all, the box itself looks like a Christmas gift, which I highly recommend. If you have a knitter or crocheter in your life, get this box for them and put it under the tree. You don't even have to wrap it. It's all done for you. Right? The other thing is every little individual box, they're so beautiful. Aren't those boxes gorgeous? I mean, to me, it looks like a beautiful, like, gift from Tiffany's almost. I think it's so cute. It has 25 days. A lot of them only have 24. Bonus. And you are getting handmade quality items in every single box. Plus, the theme is adorable. I mean, Furry Friends, come on. That's so cute. So I will show you some pictures in a few moments of the previous Advent calendars so that you can see what kind of stuff they have. And notice, they are never the same, but there is something that they can promise you. So I can't tell you anything that's in the box. To be fair, I don't actually know. But I can't tell you, not just because I don't know, but because it's a big secret, because it's an Advent calendar. But there are some things I can tell you that you can expect. They can guarantee that you'll get an original chain row counter, a set of stitch markers suitable for knitting or crochet, depending on which one you get, a large slider storage tin to keep everything inside, at least one skein of luxury fiber yarn, a pattern by an independent designer that is exclusive to the box, and 20 other surprises that you can use all year long. So the Advent calendars will be starting to ship the first week in November, and they will be shipping through UPS unless otherwise you specify a different way. Honestly, I think UPS is a great way to send them. So at least I know I'll get mine. They have an amazing return and exchange policy. I will let you read all of that on their FAQ section, but it is superb. I have never had any issues with them. Customer service is fantastic. Each of their tools are built to last you years and years and years. They offer a lifetime warranty on all their products, Advent calendars included. So they assure you that this stuff will last. But if something happens, contact them and they will make it right. They will make it right. And I'm so excited about that because not every company does that. So the value of the box is over $350. That's the value. That's not what you pay. Yeah, you pay, but if you're watching this video, I have a coupon code for you to save $25. Just use my link down below to shop. That helps me, it benefits the channel, and you guys get a discount. So, score. Are you interested? I got one. I'll be honest, I bought one like the moment it came out. I have wanted to try one for several years now, and I got one. I finally got my hands on one. But that's the thing. They sell out very quickly because these are nice boxes. These are like, you know, if you want to just get a Christmas gift for yourself and put it under the tree. No judgment here. I understand. I am so excited to be working with them. My heart kind of gets fluttery when I think about it because this is the kind of stuff I've wanted to use like my whole life. Yes, I test out the cheaper items and they work fine, but they are going to break down over time. They aren't going to last me. I would rather pay a little bit more to have things that are going to last me than just keep buying a bunch of cheapo items. Now, if you're just starting out, I completely understand. You go to the Dollar Tree, you go to Walmart, you get what you need. I understand. You don't even know if you like it yet. Justified. But if you're somebody who's a seasoned knitter or a seasoned crocheter, or you have one of those in your life, I strongly recommend this. Partners who are watching, Christmas is coming. It's on sale now. Just saying, your loved one would be impressed. You might want to get it for them. Just a thought. So let's look inside some of the previous advent calendar boxes and you can get kind of a feel of what might be in your box. Slideshow. Okay, so as you saw, lots of variety here, lots of things you can use, lots of things you can do, and I am so excited. I will be opening mine on the channel every single day that I make a video. I may have to put several clips together so I don't have to make a video every day, but I will open them one each day. And you guys, I don't recommend things that I don't like myself. I am telling you, this company is kind, they are sweet. My ambassador affiliate contact is like the nicest person. On Instagram, they are super kind. I've never had a bad reaction with these people. Let me tell you something that I'm going to tell you in another video, but I'm going to tell you here. I have tried to work with companies and they have been so rude to me, especially when I was a teeny tiny little channel, like not even 1,000 yet. These people did not even want me to give up. They were like, no, you don't have the qualifications yet, but don't give up and get back to us when you do. They wanted to work with me. That was so kind. And I did it. I did it. I got my qualifications and I contacted them again. And I said, hey, I'm emailing you again. Can I work with you now? Yes. And they were so sweet. They wanted my preferences and all kinds of things. And I was just like, I don't care. Send me anything. I want to try it all. And you might have noticed in some of the boxes, yes, it does seem like every single box comes with a gorgeous pair of scissors. I'm in. I'm in. So if you would like to order an advent calendar for yourself or just check out their shop in general, my link is down below. If you buy anything through my link, it does benefit me, which benefits the channel, which benefits you because it gets you more content. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please check out Twice Sheared Sheep on Instagram, Facebook, and their website down below. I would really appreciate it. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!